Hey, how's everybody doing? Darren with Lowen Sign Company. We have attended a lot of virtual events this year. I'm sure a lot of you have as well. One thing that has really stuck out to me at all of these events are the crazy discounts that I've been seeing. I've seen up to 50% off, 70% off, free shipping on everything. But I'm begging you, please don't get sucked into this. There's usually a catch. One of the oldest tricks in the book is to mark the price up and then back it back out. Or there's a lot of fine print involved. You know, you may have to buy X amount of the product to get free shipping or your discount. So again, if you're an agent or a broker, I'm begging you that if you're looking for signage and you see these types of discounts or gimmicks, please check the bottom line and please check pricing with other sign companies. Many times the other sign companies are still less, or you'll get a better deal without the discounts or crazy free shipping offers. I hope this helps. Please check us out, lowensign.com. Check us out on Facebook. Give us a call. We'd love to help you out. Take care. Thanks.